what do we have here? Now this is a part of the pool we're gonna build. Now this is gonna go here. Comes with everything right here. This is where the leaves are gonna be caught. Put this in here. Boom. Or simple like that. There you go. Hold that. Now we have this. We got this, which we're gonna remove. I don't know if we removed that or not. That. We got one of these. We got two of these. We have this one, and we got this one, which this one I heard that you're supposed to rip both of these, or you leave it between. I don't know, depends on you. Now it comes with instructions, of course, right here. This is a skimmer, automatic skimmer by Hayward. Now this is the one, I'm not really sure how this one goes, but I'm gonna figure all this out. You can see I have all these different, this one, don't want to lose anything, so I'm putting everything back in the box, because tomorrow I'm going to put all this up, and these are stuff I don't want to lose at all. Now this part is the only one I don't know, because this one's part looks pretty big. Oh, I have the thread right here. So this will go right here. As you can see, it has a thread.
You got a boner!
We're gonna figure all this tomorrow. With this in the pool, we're gonna figure how we could do that. Hopefully we don't connect this, but I have my pump and everything. We're gonna do this ready.